Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video, where we'll be discovering the serene beauty of PraiDo Tonel in Portugal. I'm excited to take you on this virtual journey and show you one of the most breathtaking beaches I've ever seen. But before we start, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more incredible travel videos like this one. And please, leave me a comment below with your thoughts on this tour. I love hearing from you. Now let's get started. Praia do Tonel is located on the southwestern coast of Portugal in the Algarve region. It's a beautiful beach surrounded by impressive cliffs that make this place unique and unforgettable.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
As soon as you step on the sand, you'll be stunned by the crystal clear water and the soft, golden sand. You can hear the sound of the waves and the seagulls in the background, creating the perfect ambience for relaxation and enjoyment. One of the things I love the most about this beach is the peaceful atmosphere. Even during the busiest times of the day, you can still find a quiet spot to unwind and admire the beautiful views. The beach is big enough to accommodate many visitors, and the waters are ideal for swimming and surfing. If you're a fan of water sports, Praia do Tonel is the place to be. The waves are perfect for surfing, and you'll find several surf schools in the area that offer lessons for beginners and advanced surfers alike. I hope you enjoyed this virtual walking tour, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!